Welcome to PSLE Maths, where you find solutions to PSLE math problems. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.
Hello kids, let's look at a question from Nanyang Primary School 2018 Essay 1 paper. It's a 4-mark question, question number 15. Rachel and Elijah received a fixed amount of money every month. In the first month, Rachel spent $5.60 per day and Elijah spent $2.80 per day. Rachel had $39.20 left when Elijah had spent all his money. So, from this statement, we understand that though Rachel has been spending more money than Elijah per day, Rachel still has $39.20 left when Elijah ran out of all his money, which means the monthly money what Rachel has been receiving is more than Elijah. Okay, continuing with the question. In the second month, Rachel spent $2.80 per day and Elijah spent $5.60 per day. Rachel had $140 left when Elijah had spent all his money. How much money did Rachel receive every month? So let's chart down Elijah and Rachel and first month and second month. So let's start with the second month because in the second month Elijah is spending more money than the first month. You notice that Elijah spends $5.60 per day in the second month, which is exactly twice of $2.80 which he spends in the first month. So let's assume the money he receives will last exactly n number of days in the second month. But that is when he spends $5.60, the money will last for n number of days. That means with $2.80, that same money will last him 2n number of days because the money is exactly half of it. It is going to last exactly twice the number of days for Elijah. So for Rachel, when she spends $5.60 in month 1, it lasts for 2n days and she still has $39.20 extra when Elijah has ran out of money. So that's the amount of money Rachel receives. And in second month, when she's spending $2.80, it lasts for n number of days, same as Elijah. And when Elijah has ran out of money, she still has $140 more. So in month 1, Rachel spends $5.60 and it lasts for 2n number of days and she's still left out with $39.20. And in month 2, she spends $2.80 and after n number of days, she's still left with $140. So this is the crucial statement in this problem. Once we know this, but we know that Rachel receives the same amount of money each month, so we just equate these two equations. The first statement is $5.60 times 2n is $5.60 times 2 is $11.20 times n plus $39.20 is equal to $2.80 times n plus $140. So the difference in terms of n is $11.20 minus $2.80, which is $8.40 times n is equal to the difference in the constants, which is $100.80. So n is equal to $100.80 divided by 840, which is equal to 12 days, which means the n, what we have found out, is exactly equal to 12 days. The question is, how much did Rachel receive every month? So we can substitute the value of n equal to 12 in either of the two statements for Rachel, either from month 1 or month 2. So let's just put it in month 2. 12 times $2.80 plus $140 is equal to $173.60. So that's the money she receives every month. That's the answer for this question.
Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more problem sums. If you have a specific question that you would like to see a video on, please post it in the comment section. Thank you.